Today I have a wonderful baked bean casserole recipe for you. So let's get cooking. Here are the ingredients that we're going to use today for our baked beans. We're going to start with 2 cans of baked beans. I really do like these Bush Original baked beans. I think they're fantastic. Over here we're going to have some spicy mustard, a little bit of barbecue sauce. We're going to be using Sweet Baby Ray's today. You're going to have some brown sugar, some honey. I love the orange blossom honey, some fresh garlic, and then some onions. And I will have the recipe and all of the ingredients and measurements in the description below the video. We're going to start with putting in our onions. Now these baked beans already came with some bacon. If you're not going to use these, then you might want to put a little bit of bacon in your baked beans. Now after the onions, we're going to go ahead and put in our fresh garlic and a little bit of our brown sugar. So we have mixed up our brown sugar and our fresh garlic, and now we're just going to put in a little bit of mustard. Just kind of all over the top like this. We're going to mix that in real good. I like to use that spicy brown mustard. Now after we've got all of that mixed up, we're going to put in a little bit of barbecue sauce. And again, we're just going to kind of put that across the top right here. A little bit down here. There we go. This already smells so good. I wish you could be here to smell it. And now I'm just going to put a teeny little bit of honey in, just a little drop. So now we're ready to go into the oven, and we are going to cook on 350 for about 25 minutes, and then we'll check on them. Oh, our beans look wonderful and they just smell great. Wish you could be here. Be sure and check out that video that's popping up, and I will see you there in a few minutes.